Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's super important for your overall health, your kidneys. These amazing organs work tirelessly to filter waste products from your blood. Just like any filter, your kidneys can get bogged down over time. In this video, we're diving deep into 8 delicious fruits that can help give your kidneys a boost. And the best part, I'll be sharing some simple and tasty ways to enjoy them. First up, we have the mighty cranberry. You might know cranberries for their ability to help prevent urinary tract infections, or UTIs. But did you know that UTIs, if left untreated, can lead to kidney infections? That's why cranberries are a kidney's best friend. Cranberries contain a special type of antioxidant called proanthocyanidins, or PACs. These PACs prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, which helps to prevent infections. Try adding them to a smoothie with some sweeter fruits like bananas or mangoes. You can also find unsweetened cranberry juice at most grocery stores. Just make sure to check the label for added sugars. Another great option is dried cranberries. Add them to trail mix, yogurt, or salads for a burst of flavor and a kidney-healthy boost. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to kidney health, and cranberries are a delicious way to keep those kidneys happy. Next up, we have another berry superstar, blueberries. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off harmful free radicals that can damage your cells, including those in your kidneys. Blueberries are also a great source of vitamin C, which plays a vital role in boosting your immune system. A strong immune system means your body is better equipped to fight off infections, including those pesky UTIs that can lead to kidney problems. Blueberries are delicious on their own, perfect for a quick and healthy snack. You can also toss them into your morning oatmeal, yogurt parfait, or smoothie for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Feeling adventurous? Try making a blueberry sauce to drizzle over pancakes or waffles. Remember, incorporating blueberries into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show your kidneys some love. Let's move on to a fruit that's been associated with good health for centuries, the apple. While an apple a day might not completely keep the doctor away, it can certainly contribute to healthy kidneys. Apples are a good source of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. A healthy digestive system means your body is better able to eliminate waste products efficiently, taking some of the workload off your kidneys. Plus, apples contain a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Of course, you can always grab a crisp apple for a snack, but there are so many other ways to enjoy them. Slice them up and add them to salads, or dice them and mix them into your oatmeal or yogurt. You can also try baking apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm and comforting dessert. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making your own applesauce. It's surprisingly easy, and a much healthier alternative to store-bought versions. Next up, we have a fruit that screams summer: strawberries. These juicy red berries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your kidneys. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which we already know is great for boosting the immune system and fighting off infections. They also contain a variety of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give strawberries their vibrant red color. These antioxidants help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your body, including your kidneys. Strawberries are delicious on their own, perfect for a refreshing snack on a hot day. You can also slice them up and add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt parfait, or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Feeling fancy? Try dipping strawberries in melted dark chocolate for a decadent and antioxidant-rich dessert. You can also blend them into a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables for a refreshing and healthy drink. Let's move on to a fruit that's often overlooked when it comes to kidney health: cherries. These small but mighty fruits pack a punch when it comes to nutrients that can support your kidneys. Cherries are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure can put a strain on your kidneys, so keeping it in check is essential for kidney health. Cherries are also a natural source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin, which help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Cherries are delicious on their own, perfect for a sweet and satisfying snack. You can also pit them and add them to yogurt parfaits, oatmeal, or salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Feeling adventurous? Try making a cherry pie or cobbler for a classic and comforting dessert. And if you're looking for a healthier alternative, try grilling cherries for a few minutes until they're slightly softened and caramelized. Next up, we have a fruit that's as versatile as it is delicious: grapes. These little spheres of sweetness are not only a refreshing snack, but also a great source of nutrients that can benefit your kidneys. Grapes contain a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol, which is found in the skin of grapes. Resveratrol has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to protect your kidneys from damage. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health problems, including kidney disease. Grapes are delicious on their own, perfect for a quick and refreshing snack. You can also freeze them for a healthy and hydrating treat on a hot day. Feeling adventurous? Try adding grapes to your salads, cheese boards, or even pizzas for a burst of sweetness and texture. You can also juice grapes for a refreshing and antioxidant-rich drink. Let's move on to a fruit that screams summer hydration: watermelon. This juicy melon is not only incredibly refreshing, but also a great source of nutrients that can support your kidneys. Watermelon is about 92% water, making it a natural diuretic. This means it helps to flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, including your kidneys. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for kidney health, as it helps to prevent dehydration, which can put a strain on your kidneys. Watermelon is delicious on its own, perfect for a cool and refreshing snack on a hot day. You can also cube it and add it to salads or fruit salads for a burst of flavor and hydration. Feeling adventurous? Try blending watermelon into a smoothie or gazpacho for a refreshing and hydrating drink. You can also freeze watermelon cubes for a healthy and cooling treat on a hot day. Last but not least, we have a tropical delight that can also benefit your kidneys: pineapple. This tangy and sweet fruit contains a unique enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health problems, including kidney disease. Bromelain may help to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially protecting your kidneys from damage. Pineapple is delicious on its own, perfect for a sweet and tangy snack. You can also grill it for a few minutes to caramelize the sugars and enhance its sweetness. Feeling adventurous? Try adding pineapple chunks to your smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or even salsas for a burst of flavor and nutrition. You can also juice pineapple for a refreshing and enzyme-rich drink. So there you have it, 8 delicious and easy-to-find fruits that can help support your kidney health. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you'll be giving your kidneys the nutrients they need to function properly and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can learn about the power